It's Richard with Sound Vitality again, and today I'm going to talk with you about the Scalene Light. And the Scalene, there it is, Scalene Light. And basically, for environmental clearing applications, you can simply turn it on to the lowest setting. Oop, there we go, which is Soothe, and aim it around the room. And if you want to aim it at a corner or along a corner, if you have a corner of the room, like, how do I get there? Like this, you could aim, like if right at the door is a corner, you can aim right upward, holding it right 6 inches or 8 inches from the corner. It will aim a beam up and clear the whole area. Or you can reach upward and aim along the ceiling. Corners are the places where the most of this congestion builds up. For those who see it, they'll see a sort of a gray, maybe reddish, cloudy cobweb type stuff. And they will see that this softens it and dissolves it and leaves sort of a gentle blue hue to the air there, or to the room, to the space. And where you get more intense energies, like if you're in a hotel room and the people who were there before had a fight, or there was somebody who was really depressed who slept in the bed or sat at the desk there, there are likely to be really heavy energies there. And if you try to sleep there, you'll feel uncomfortable. So you, instead of Soothe, if you put it on Clear, then that's the medium setting, and that's pretty good at dissolving most of those kinds of energies. And just 1 minute of Clear usually is enough to dissolve it. And then go back to Soothe again and do the whole room from 10, 15 feet away. The Clear will work from 10 feet away too. It's a more focused, intense beam. But for the Soothe at the end, just keep it moving all the way around, and it kind of softens everything. If you get something that is really strong, like for instance, a haunted house, and the memories are embedded in the wood floor or the wood walls of the house, then you can turn it to red. Whoop, whoop, there it is, the penetrate signal. And that's the strongest setting, and just aim it at the wood. It might take 3 or 4 or 5 minutes, and see how you feel. Once you've applied it to the overall room in the beginning with the Soothe setting, you'll find yourself much more sensitive to what the room feels like. You'll be able to sense different areas of the room and be able to feel where it needs more cleansing. And you'll feel sometimes really heavy areas. And if the Clear setting doesn't work, then go to the penetrate for a minute or 5 minutes, whatever it takes. You go backwards after you've applied the penetrate, apply the Clear setting again for maybe 30 seconds, and finish off with the Soothe from as far away as you can get in all directions to basically soften the energy of the space and leave it feeling comfortable. That's pretty much the Scalene Light. If you want to, there's a nice feature of the Scalene Light, which is if you set it up for intermittent, it will automatically go on Soothe, and it will stay on the Soothe setting for about 1 minute, and then go to the Clear setting for 1 minute, and go to the Soothe setting for 1 minute. Now you will see if I can point it out to you. You see, right? Oh, I can't do that. This works. Right there is my Scalene Light, and it's set for the intermittent setting. And so every 3 hours, it turns on for 3 minutes and clears the room. And in that way, you get it freshened all the time when you're not thinking about it. The batteries will last a couple weeks between charges, and then you can just charge it up, and it's ready to go again. That. Oh, there's one more. If you want to basically set it on the floor and walk around it, but basically put it on the intermittent setting. As soon as you turn it on that setting, it'll start the 3-minute cycle. So you can turn it off and turn it on that setting, and just walk in circles around it with it on the floor, aiming upward. Aiming upward like this, and just walk around 2 feet, 3 feet away from it, spin and turn however you like. That will tend to clear out your energy field very nicely, and you'll find that if you just had a difficult day with a lot of you were in the office or a bar or some place that just had heavy energy, or just flew in an airplane flight and you just were feeling trade show overloaded with energies, spending a couple minutes walking around the Scalene Light, you will feel washed and rejuvenated like taking a shower. So that's it for now, and enjoy the Scalene Light, and let us know what you think and whether you have any additional questions. Thanks. Bye.